Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, we will discuss how to get access to latest features which were meant to be a part of the Windows 11 2.3.h2 update. You can get access to exciting features like Copilot by downloading the latest KB update for Windows 11 2.2.h2 devices. Click on the start menu and you can check that I am running the home version of 2.2.h2 build. Now first you have to do is to check for updates on your PC. Just check on updates and also select the get latest update as soon as possible toggle. It will find the latest updates and we need to specifically install this KB 5030310 update along with the Windows configuration update. These all I have downloaded and installed. Let's restart the PC now to apply these updates on your PC. This KB update is what will enable the new features on your PC. The PC will restart and it will take most probably a couple of minutes to do so. Log into your PC and now all the latest 2.3.h2 features will be enabled on your PC. First, let's check the Windows version. You can see that the version is still 2.2.h2 and the build number is same. But we can also check for new updates and let's see if there is a configuration update available or not. And there are only a security update, so let's minimize this and let it install. And you can see that the Copilot icon is on the taskbar. Just click on it and the Copilot will load. Let me ask it a very basic question and let's see how it responds. I'm asking it to display a photo of Tesla, but you can see that it only generates text responses. Apart from this, Copilot can also make changes to your system. For example, I'll ask this tool to open the Notepad app and it will launch the app. It seems counterintuitive because you have to click on the yes button to launch the app and it would be better if it automatically. Apart from this, there are also updates to apps like, let's check for Paint app. Paint app is supposed to have layers mode, which I don't see here. Photos app should also contain the new background blur feature and let's check if it contains or not. No, it doesn't have the background blur feature. So these updates will soon follow through as Microsoft continues to roll new updates. You can see that the file explorer contains new updates like gallery and details, and you can even see the dynamic lighting section in the settings app. The remaining feature will continue to roll out in the coming weeks, so don't be afraid. That's all for this video guys. Do like and share this video with other fellow Windows enthusiasts. Also subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel for more such info on Windows Insider, latest build and troubleshooting tips.